Basically, it's a new add-on feature or login method for the KBC Bank. So what currently happens in KBC Bank is they use an online card reader and a card for online transaction login. So basically, each customer will get a card reader along with a card. So he needs to insert the card into card reader where a PIN will be generated. The PIN will be used for logging into the portal for online transaction. So what we suggest is, like, generally we can have a concept called OTP, where whenever a new customer joins the KBC, he can basically register his mobile device to the branch office and he will get an user ID and password. So he can use his user ID and password to log in into the bank portal, and once the password validation is done, a OTP will be generated and it will be sent to his registered mobile device. So it's a time-based OTP generation, so we can have it as every 30 seconds or in 1 minute. OTP will be keep on changing. So we can use the OTP and we can log in securely. It's a more secure process, and fraudulent transaction cannot happen because it is changing on time basis. So the benefits of this is, like, we need not carry the card reader basically wherever we go to perform an online transaction. Basically an SMS alert will be sent to our mobile for the OTP. And other thing is, like, it eliminates the cost of the card reader for the bank. So almost everyone in the current generation has the smartphone, so they can use that device to get the OTP and they can use the transaction more user friendly, so which will be more appealing. Thank you.
So we'll just show you the demo of how the OTP system works. Initially, like we mentioned, we have the native card reader method and the add-on feature, which is the OTP method. So when we click on this, we get either we want to choose the card reader method or the OTP method. So when we click on the OTP method, we are asked to enter a customer ID, which we get along with the starting kit. So if I enter my customer ID here and I press on continue, I'm prompted to enter my password. So when I enter my valid password, I get an SMS on my phone with the OTP so that I can authenticate myself. So when I enter my password and I click on generate OTP, I'm navigated to the OTP page. So now if I enter the right OTP, only then I will be able to navigate to the user specific dashboard. So as you can see, this OTP will change after 30 seconds. Now it is about to change to a new OTP. So if I enter only this OTP, then only it will go forward to the user specific dashboard. So if I click on submit, it will navigate to the KBC homepage because we haven't designed the user specific dashboard as of now. So if I go back again, like if this is the user specific dashboard, I can carry out my transactions and I can money transfer, I can buy something online or something like that. But if I go back and if I want to enter the same OTP again, I won't be able to do that because since you can see the OTP has changed. But if I enter the older OTP, it will show wrong OTP because the time frame of the OTP has expired. So this shows how secure this process is actually, because the OTP expires after every limited short time, so no one can social engineer your way out of the OTP.
Okay, so you have seen the demo. So basically it's a more secure process and a more user friendly process. So it would be attracting the more customers, as well as it will be a good user friendly experience for the customers, and this new add-on feature will be good choice for the customers. So thank you for watching our video.
Thank you so much.
Your ideas are welcome.